Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to find your TripAdvisor reviews ID so you can use it to embed your TripAdvisor reviews. First, we're going to select our widget type, and that widget type is TripAdvisor reviews. Now it says here that we have to put our TripAdvisor's reviews ID. So what it is and what can we do to find this? So first, we can do this by clicking this button, which will take you or redirect you to a step-by-step instruction telling you where you can find it. And in this video, I'm also going to show you how can you find this by first going to TripAdvisor, and in here we're going to use this restaurant, Aquarius Restaurant, and its reviews to fully see if our TripAdvisor reviews ID works. First, we're going to the URL. In here, the TripAdvisor ID is this. We can copy this, or we can copy the whole URL, and if you paste it in here, it will always convert it into the TripAdvisor reviews ID. Here it is. Now we can click next. Now here is our TripAdvisor reviews. As you can see, our ID worked. Now if you have encountered any problems, just click this button located at the bottom right corner of your screen, and this will always open up the Sociable Key chat support. Now you can check the feed if you want. You can click the pop-up to see what it looks like. And that is all. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video tutorial.